Plant garlic at the wrong time, and you're going to harvest bulbs the size of marbles. Yeah, done that. Get the timing right, and you will harvest bulbs that rival anything in the store. Today, I'm going to break down the windows for when you should plant in every USDA zone. Hi, I'm Carol. Welcome back to Almost 2 Acres. Today, we're going to solve one of the biggest mysteries in garlic growing: when to plant it. I get this question more than any other, and for good reason. Plant your garlic at the wrong time and you risk a harvest that doesn't work well. If you plant too early, you might get winter damage. If you plant too late, the roots don't get a chance to establish.
Let's start with the gold standard, fall planting. This consistently gives the best results for 95% of gardeners. Here's why. When you plant in fall, garlic cloves spend the winter developing a strong root system. In spring, they're ready to explode with top growth, which means bigger bulbs. The magic number is 4 to 6 weeks before your ground freezes solid. This gives the cloves enough time to establish roots, but not enough time to produce significant top growth that could be damaged by winter cold. It's a delicate balance, but get it right and you're setting yourself up for success. Let's break this down by USDA zone. Zones 1 to 6. You're looking at late September to early October. In these cold zones, winter comes early and stays long, so you want to get garlic in the ground before that first hard freeze. Zone 7 to 8. Mid to late October through November is your sweet spot. You have a longer growing season, so you can afford to wait a bit longer. Zones 9 to 10. November to early December. In these warm zones, you're almost doing winter planting rather than fall planting, and that's perfectly fine. This is the time to watch your long-range weather forecast. If you see an early cold snap coming, plant a week earlier than planned. If it's staying unusually warm, you can wait a week or two longer. Now let's talk about something important that many gardeners don't understand: vernalization. This is garlic's requirement for cold exposure to trigger proper bulb formation. The time is typically 6 to 8 weeks below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. In northern zones, nature handles this for you. Plant in fall, and winter provides all the vernalization your garlic needs. But in zones 9 to 10, winters might not get cold enough for long enough. This is where artificial vernalization comes in. You can pre-treat your seed garlic by storing it in the refrigerator for 2 to 4 weeks before planting. Some varieties need this more than others. Porcelain and Rocambole types need lots of chilling, while artichoke and Creole types need very little. Can you plant garlic in spring? Yes, but with caveats. Spring planting generally produces smaller bulbs because you're missing optimal root development time and shortening the growing season. If you must plant in spring, do it as early as possible, as soon as the ground is workable, and give your seed garlic that artificial vernalization treatment in the refrigerator for at least a month before planting. Spring planting works best with soft neck varieties in zones 7 to 10, where you still have a long growing season ahead of you. Reading the signs. How do I know when it's time to plant garlic? Here are the environmental cues I watch for fall planting. Soil temperature should be consistently below 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a soil thermometer 4 inches deep. Deciduous trees are dropping their leaves. This usually coincides with soil cooling. You're getting your first light frost, but the ground isn't frozen yet. Night temperatures are consistently in the 40s or below. Let's recap the timing strategy. Fall planting 4 to 6 weeks before ground freeze gives you the biggest bulbs. Northern zones plant in early October. Southern zones can wait until November or December. When in doubt, artificial vernalization in the refrigerator gives you insurance, especially in warm zones. Remember, the goal is strong root development without significant top growth before winter. Get this timing right and you're already on track for a fantastic harvest.
Soon I will be discussing how deep to plant and how far apart, because even perfect timing won't help you if you plant too deep or too shallow. Make sure you have notifications on so you know when that one's coming out. Even though we are in full-on harvest time now, I know I am busy every day. I still know that if I don't get out there and get my bed ready, I won't have wonderful garlic next year, and that would just be a shame. So until next time, let's get growing.